Are you missing notifications on your iPhone? This hidden feature will make sure you never miss one again. Go to Settings, then tap Accessibility, and head to Audio and Visual. Scroll all the way down until you find Flash for Alerts and tap on it. Now turn it on. Once you enable it, you'll get a few options to choose how the flash works. You can select LED flash, which uses the flash on the back of your iPhone near the camera. Or you can choose screen, so your display lights up for alerts. And if you want both, you can enable both together. After that, you also have extra controls. You can turn on flash while unlocked if you want alerts even while using your phone. And you can enable flash on silent so it still works even when your phone is muted. This is perfect if you keep your iPhone on silent or just want a more noticeable alert. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips. And I'll see you in the next one.